This is Boo.
Boo?
And
The color's name's Boo?
Yeah. Just like blue. But it's blue.
Boo? Like your boo?
Yeah. Bow. Okay. And this is Violet.
You're just making up words.
Find them, Viola. And this is the color Millie.
Mealy? It's named Mealy.
Browie. No, it's Browie. And this is a different kind of. What do we need to do? So, let me tell you, how do I make these colors? This is light blue and dark blue. This is like dark blue with pink and light blue. Light blue, this and this and that. Ocean blue and dark.
Oh, these are how you mixed them?
Pink blue. And this is olive kind. This is
a lot of silliness.
And purple and blue. And that's with some nair colors like these. It got all kinds of colors. And this is purple. So this purple.
What do you name?
This pink.
I can't hold the camera anymore. It's hurting my arm. Ow. I can't hold the camera up anymore. It's hurting my arm.
Is this and this.
Mm.
Wait, what is it? Dad, do you remember what was this?
Get your finger out of there.
Pink and purple.
Hey, wait, use your finger and make a little flower with this stencil.
Okay.
Yeah, that color. These colors are great for making these flowers with. I'm ready. Let's get a new piece of paper out.
Well, bye.
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 Okay, it's off.